Well, hello everybody. My name is Chloe. For today's video, we will be talking about the history of one of the world's oldest condiments. So, probably all of you guys could have once tasted ketchup, or is a big fan of ketchups, right? In the very past, in some of the very first centuries, people have developed ketchup, and until now, nearly 90% families in America have a ketchup bottle in their home. So let's look at the fish sauce first, a part of the condiments family. Well, in 300 BCE, fish sauce was first originated uh, from the citizens around. When these kinds of people take fish, there's just a really kind of small fish that first is very hard to be eaten, and it's just super small. So in that time, they put it in the sun with a little bit salt, and as a result, it comes up with a salty liquid named fish sauce. Well, in that time, even the ancient Greece flavor all based on fish sauce. Nearly all the foods were cooked in the time have fish sauce in. But as soon as people start to immigrate and start to explore about other kinds of products, fish sauce was just something that's very hard to make. And so in that time, a group of immigrants come over, and as soon as they come, a familiar sauce was produced. It is just like a brown sauce that is very liquidy. And so in that time, thousands of people love it. Just by its sweet and even salty taste, but have made a lot of people love it. And so in that time, there's barely any ketchup. But then an American American cook, then tried a new color to the equation. Well, a new color to the equation was introduced that is made up by tomato. In that time, people didn't know what to name it. Some people say to name it kete. Some people say to name it ketchup. But soon, a pasteurized name was put in, and from that day on, it is called as ketchup. Well, now our own taste doesn't taste as what happened in the past. In the 20th century, hence sells lots of kinds of ketchup. And so what he wanted to do was to develop a kind of sauce that used way more organic matters. And so he swapped the recipe, putting in more for sodium benzoate and aimed for riper ketchups and vinegar. As soon this kind of ketchup evolved, although it is like a little bit harder to pour out of the cup, it then got consumed by thousands of people all over the world due to its tasty flavor. And that is what the ketchup that we eat daily today. Well, I hope this video really did teach you a little bit about the history of ketchup, an amazing condiment that follows through hundreds of years. Goodbye.